Jai Hind to all of you. I am Dolly Singh Rathod of Class 12th Humanities of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 SECL Kusmunda Korba Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to introduce and discuss the idea of our project made by our team. Geography includes 5 members on Samriddh Bharat, Smart Krishi, empowering farmers and enriching Bharat. And India is one of the largest agricultural country all over the world, and around its 50% of the population are dependent and engaged on agriculture for their livelihood. Despite their hard work, they faces many problems such as low income, water scarcity, unpredictable weather, low productivity and lack of awareness, in which they have limited access of technology and new government schemes. Also, climatic change, droughts, flood and extreme temperature changes can cause damage to crops. Now, the question is that why we need Smart Krishi? We need Smart Krishi to meet the solution of these problems. We know that traditional farming cannot meet the needs of growing demand and need of growing population and climatic change. Smart Krishi introduced innovation to make farming more efficient and sustainable. It promotes eco-friendly practices, saves resources, increases productivity, uplifts farmers' lives, modernizing agriculture. Now the question is that what is Smart Krishi? What are its objectives? Smart Krishi means applying more science and more technology on agriculture to make higher productivity and sustainability. Now, also, it includes solar-powered irrigation and renewable energy use, automatic watering using soil moisture sensors, drones for pesticides, spraying and crop monitoring, mobile apps giving weather forecast and market updates, sustainable and organic farming methods. So, we are very familiar to the problem faces by governments. Now the question is that how Smart Krishi solves the farmers' problems? How Smart Krishi solves the farmers' problems? There are many problems faced by farmers such as water scarcity, low productivity, climatic change, low income, lack of awareness. So, water scarcity can be overcome by smart irrigation system and rainwater harvesting. Also, low productivity can be reduced by data-driven farming and precision tools. Also, climatic change can be overcome through weather apps and crop planning. Low income is another major problem faces by farmers can be overcome through introducing online platforms connecting farmers directly to buyers. Lack of awareness can be overcome through digital Krishi centers and mobile learning platforms. It will result in many aspects such as higher crop yields and better quality water, energy and cost saving, promote sustainable and self-reliant nation and agriculture, improve farmers' incomes and rural development and many others. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say that farmers are the backbone of our country, of our nation. Yet they often struggle to meet their needs and demands. Smart Krishi provides a path to empower with technology and innovation as Samriddh Bharat begins with a smarter Krishi. Thank you.